News, New York.
Having the calm before the storm. Final preparations underway before the biggest winter storm in years.
Dangerous conditions.
The snow already affecting millions of people from Tennessee to Arkansas and more. We're now less than 12 hours away from this massive winter storm knocking on our door. At least 230 million people are under a winter storm threat in 17 states under states of emergency. This is nationwide.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day. Waiting for the moment, I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye.
You're gone, Timber. Oh! So where I am in New Jersey right now, it's 4 o'clock, 17 degrees. We have about 1.5 feet of snow, and it's supposed to be going until tomorrow at around 5 a.m. to noon. So let's hope that keeps up. I'm off work tomorrow, so I'm just gonna be out plowing the snow and taking care of business. It's cold out here. Quick update from the weather app. It's supposed to go until Monday at 1 o'clock. So January 26th is tomorrow, Monday at 1 o'clock. The snow should stop. But if the temperature keeps rising, it's gonna turn into some wintry mix, and then it'll be pretty bad. Even worse than it is right now. Like, I can't even take out the Beamer and go on the roads and go to the gym, so. This is where I'm tracking all the info for this little storm. Yesterday it was low at 3, high at 12. We had no snow. They predicted 20 to 25 inches within 24 hours. Today, it's a low of 6 with a high of 23. We got about 1.5 feet of snow, and they're predicting another 8 to 16 inches within 24 hours, so.
No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it
We're about to go adventure out into the snowstorm. 7:18 on the 25th. We're about to go adventure into the snowstorm. Look at the size of this snow pile here. Got a headlamp and my flashlight. So let's keep going. So right now we're sitting about 2 to 5 inches an hour, I'd say. Look at the sides of the road, it's all just snow. We're going up to the lake right now to get a time lapse of the snow falling over the lake. Keep going. These are traffic cones the snow is just piled up to. This is awesome. This road, definitely not making up with the car. It is solid ice. There's tractor tire marks on the main road. Look at this. That's tall. That's like 6 feet of snow right there. Of course it's piled up from the plow trucks, but still. That's a good 6 feet of snow. That's crazy. We're getting back there. So we're gonna have to go over this. It's to the knees immediately. Oh, that's deeper. Huh. Looks like there's something came through here. What do you guys think this was? Let me know in the comments. Almost up to the knees over here. Wow.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies.
Alright, so it's now Monday the 26th. We're going to go outside and check how much snow we actually got. Through all the news sources pulled together, we should have about 20 to 25 inches total. So let's go outside and measure, get our number. If you look at the weather on the phone or anything online, it would say it's not snowing right now. It's snowing pretty heavy right now. And I'm going to have to get the driveway clear, the backyard clear, and we're going to go measure the snow. It is so bright out, I feel like I need sunglasses right now, but as you can see, we've cleared the driveway 4 times, 5 times, the road's been plowed a couple times, cleared my car off multiple times. It is piling up. So let's go to the backyard and measure how much snow we got. So this is where we're gonna measure this snowbank right here. Oh my goodness, I'm up to my knees, and I'm at least 7 foot. Sorry, it's a little hard to control a tape measure with one hand while you're doing this, but it's about 18 to 20 inches of snow. Can only imagine that to that it's about 50 inches. Walk back.
Trying to be patient, but running out of time. No way I'd let you say goodbye. No way I'd let you say goodbye. You said there ain't no meaning, I just wanna understand. Everything that matters here, the teardrops